Good afternoon everyone. I am Ashok Chaudhary from Aditya Junior College of Intersect India. Today I am going to explain the topic circles from Max 2D. So the question is, show that the circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0 touch each other. Find the point of contact and the equation of common tangent at their point of contact. So let us see the solution. Given circles are s is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. So from first circle equation we get center C1 is equal to 3 comma 1 and from the circle equation we also get g, f and c values. They are minus 3, minus 1 and 1. So we know the formula of radius, that is under root g square plus f square minus c. So after substituting the values of g and c, we get r1 as root 9, that is 3. And from second circle equation, we get the center as c2 is equal to minus 1 comma 4. And we also get the values of g dash, f dash and c dash. So they are 1, minus 4 and 13. So second radius is we get as root 4, that is 2. So now c1, c2. We know the distance formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the distance from center 1 to center 2 is given as under root minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. That we get as root 25 and that c1 c2 value is 5. So by adding both the radius r1 plus r2, that is 3 plus 2, we get 5. So here c1 c2 is equal to r1 plus r2. So the given two circles touch each other externally. We know the formula of ECS, that is r1x2 plus r2x1 by r1 plus r2 and r1 by 2 plus r2 by 1 by r1 plus r2. So after substituting the values, we get the center as c 3 by 5 and 14 by 5. So now equation of common tangent at their point of contact is s minus h dash is equal to 0. So after substituting the equation of first circle and second circle, after solving we get as minus 8x plus 6y minus 12. So from here we can take minus 2 as common. After solving it we get as 4x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. So I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.